Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you stomach. Today our topic is the stomach. Chapter 2. First thing, the discovery of stomach was a strange accident in 1822. Man Alexis Martin in America, a shotgun are inside his chest, then produce a hole, and army Dr. William Beaumont are observed inside the stomach. What happened inside the stomach? So many observations in that time William Beaumont are found inside the stomach, inside through the food pipe, through food, or inside in the food canal, and some mucus or a layer present inside the stomach. That is find out through the food are digested inside the stomach, and protein are developed, and many organ are absorbed of that protein. So these things are happen inside the stomach. That acid is many bacteria are killed inside the stomachs. These things are happen inside the stomachs. First of Dr. William Beaumont are find of these things, and that observation are find out in the body of Mr. Alexis Saint Martin. So I explain the stomach. A stomach is a thick wall. A stomach is a thick wall bag. It is like a bag structure. Its shape like a flattened U shape, and it is the widest part. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives foods from the food pipe. It receives food from the food pipe, that pipe through inside and in and open into the small intestine. That food pipe are open in the small intestine at the others. The inner lining at the stomach, secrete mucus like a jelly structure inside the food pipe. That jelly structure are absorbed of that protein, are absorbed and provide through the body parts. That is the generate hydrochloric acid and digestive juices through, that is secrete of mucus. The mucus protect the living of the stomach. The acid kills many bacteria. That enter along with the food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic, and helps the digestive juices break down the protein into simpler substance. Means when the food is taken inside the mouth, then esophagus pipe through inside the reaches at a small intestine. That pipe In that pipe, in the mucus is like a jelly structure for, and that is absorb of protein, and acidic nature, that is the kill of many bacteria. That is the observation of that things inside of our stomach is first the doctor of William Beaumont. In the body of a one bullet or inside his hole is generated of the man of army man, that is the man name is Alexius Saint Martin. That is the hole inside of the chest, and that hole through passage of these things, Dr. William Beaumont. Some things are happened, that observation are the very important in the medical field, that is the observed in the mucus inside the esophagus, and that protein are absorbed of these food pipes and supply to different parts. That is the function of stomach. Okay, thank you.